Hello everyone, I am Prakash Jivan Korekar from Tuldapur. Today I will explain about difference between today I will explain about difference between the compiler, assembler and interpreter. The language the language processes can be any of the following their types. First one is a compiler. The language process that reads the compiler source programs write in high-level language as a whole in one go and translate it in into an equivalent program in machine language is called as compiler. Uh, Explain C and C++, C hash and Java. Second one is assembler. The assembler is used to translate the program right in assembly language into machine code. Um, the source program is an input of an assembler that contain assembly language. Introduction: the output generated by the assembler in the object code or machine code. Third one is interpreter. The the translate of a single statement of the source program into machine code is done by a process language process and execute implemently before moving before moving one on to the next line is called a interpreter. If there is an error in a statement in interpreted terminates it translating process at that statement and display an error message. The interpreter move on the next line for execution only after the remove of the error in interpreter directly executes. Interpreter write in a program or scrap, scraping language, scripting language without priority converting them to an object code or machine code. Difference between compiler and interpreter. So firstly, I will tell you compiler. Compiler interpreter. A compiler is a program that converts the entire source code of a programming language into executable machine code of a CPU. A interpreter taking a source program and runs it line by line, translating each line as it uh, common commons to it. The compiler takes a large amount of time to energy the entire source code, but the overall execute time of all programs is compul com- comparatively faster. An interpreter takes less amount of time to analyze the source code, but the overall execution time of the program is lower. Then compiler generates the error message only after scanning the whole program. So debugging is competitive hard as the error can be present anywhere in a program. Debug is easier and it continues translating the program until a error is met. The compiler requests a loss of memory for generating object code. It required less memory than a compiler because an object code is generates intermediate object code. No implemented object code is generated for such for security purpose compiler is more useful. So this is the difference between, and so thank you for watching video.